today, like, I just ordered some things for the kitchen. You can see these. So let's just begin. I ordered this piggy thing. I don't know what it's called. Timer, I think so. So that if I bake something and forgot that I baked something. Does it make sense? Anyways, this thing will like come out like, girl, don't forget me, I'm still alive. So, wait, I'll close it later. We're going to use this. I think this thing will look cute, yeah, and this thing too. These two. For making breakfast, I will use this one, and for like I love strawberries the most. I'm going just to change this into this one later on. Let me just, guys, do you love my fish? Cause I think I like it. It's kind of cute. I don't know, what are you doing here? Do you? Can you eat? Can you get? Oh no, I didn't expect that. Okay, nothing in here. Within the trash and put this here. Yeah, that's actually perfect. Oh wow. So guys, we're going to do the living room. I hate these plates. I hate them so much. I'm going to throw these and like order some new things cause I can't deal with these. Wait, maybe I'll give it to my grandma cause I don't like wasting stuff. Wait, I can't believe I just dug into the trash to get a box. Yeah. So I'm going to put this over here. This over here, close the door. Before any thieves come in. So anyways, guys, you might be thinking, where is my husband? My husband is at work right now. Wait. So this part I'm going to, I know what to order. I know. Yeah. So guys, this is the packages. Let me take that one with me. Over here, I ordered some. Yeah. I couldn't even exist. This. It was so cute. Anyways, let's just I'm a singer, guys. That's why I bought it. Cause I'm a singer. Let's put this in here. Look at this one, guys. What? Oh. Look. This one. Isn't it so cute? Wow. This is so cute. My god, I like it. Bye bye.